Alright, welcome. What we're going to take a look at is we're going to take a look at some of these minerals. What I've done at the bottom is I've linked the website here, which has the back page of your reference tables, page 16, and it's got nice pictures of exactly what minerals we might be looking at in class. At the very top of your reference tables, those highlighted in blue are all clickable on this website, and those are actually the four characteristics which you're going to use every time you want to identify a mineral. Every time it's in your hand, you use those four characteristics, and you should figure out the blue mineral name on the right hand side. But we're going to skip that stuff because I'm going to talk about that in another video, and we're just going to take a look at what some of the samples are. So let's take a quick look at graphite. Alright, this is a classic example that you use every single day. You're probably writing with it right now. It's a pencil. This is what we call pencil lead. It's actually graphite. And it's got a nice metallic luster in this picture. Next one is galena. All these have a nice metallic luster, as you can notice over here. So they're all going to be looking like a metal, shining like a metal. These have nice flat cleavage areas where you can look and see where it looks like it's been cleaved by a butcher's cleaver. Alright, magnetite. Guess what? Magnetic. Yep. Pyrite. Fool's gold. Some people call this fool's gold. If you were a pirate back in the day and someone tried to give this to you, you might be a little bit stuck with a lot of money out. So if you're a fool, you're going to take this and think that it's gold. These samples at the bottom look a lot more like gold nuggets. Right, hematite. Sometimes looks like a metal, sometimes doesn't look like a metal. Kind of depends. Alright, all these down here that we're going to look at are all non-metallic. Means they don't look like a metal. Alright, talc. Baby powder. Very soft. Softest. As we go down the list, we're going to be getting harder and harder as far as the Mohs hardness scale up here at the top. And that's actually the scratchability. They can scratch or be scratched. Sulfur. Matches, eggs, looks like eggs, smells and stinks like eggs. Alright, then we got gypsum. Looks like a rose. Muscovite, mica. Halite, table salt. Biotite, mica. A little bit different from muscovite mica, but very similar. Notice the kind of brownish hue, and here we've got the black. So biotite, black. Alright, calcite. We'll do a lot with calcite this year. Alright, dolomite. Here's another mineral where we've got non-metallic luster. Looks very similar to calcite, looks very similar to halite. And it's one of those that's hard to distinguish, but if you use these characteristics, you should be able to distinguish between halite, calcite, and dolomite. Another one that's very close is fluorite. Same stuff as your fluoride treatment. Variety of different colors. Very beautiful. Alright, now we got pyroxene. Also known as, and we've got amphibole, and we've got potassium feldspar. And we've got plagioclase feldspar. These are quite similar and sometimes in how they can look. They're similar in some of their characteristics. So it's important to look at the cleavage and look at some of the particular characteristics to figure out which is which. Alright, we left off on olivine. This is a deep earth rock. Very beautiful green colors. If you have this in your hand, it came from deep inside the earth. Quartz. Looks like diamonds. Sure, you maybe had one or two of these as a kid. Some people believe in their crystal power. Garnet. Alright, very pretty little gem. Alright, so these are what they all look like. Make sure you understand these characteristics up here at the top, and you know what these minerals look like. But the key is this right here. Good day.